So today's video is how do I find my dream job? My name is Martin Buckland and I'm an executive career management practitioner. If you enjoy today's video, please go to YouTube and press the subscribe button and press the bell button where you will be notified of every future video, and you will see a ton of videos on my channel that are going to help you manage your career. So today's topic is how do I find my dream job? Dreams can happen, but they don't fall into your lap. Do a lot of research, do a lot of soul searching on exactly who you are. Everyone is different. Everyone has a differentiator. Do career assessments. Understand your value. Everybody has a different value. What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? There again, focus on your strengths over your weaknesses. Define that dream job. What does that look like? It's a huge world out there. There are many dream jobs waiting for you as I speak, as I record this video. But define your dream job. What does it look like? What title? What is the salary? What are you looking for? What company? What sector? There are many ways to segment that dream job. Believe you me, many of my clients have reached their dream job or are on the way to achieving their dream job. Be solution to the problem when you put a business case to somebody who you want to be employed by. Everybody is a solution. What is your value? What is your differentiator? Give them a compelling reason why they should hire you. Set a target. Set a target for this year, set a target for next year, set a target for 3 years out. That's good career planning, which I, as a career coach, totally promote. That you need to manage your career. May take 2 or 3 jobs before you do reach your dream job, but they will come. There is a dream job, believe you me, waiting for you right now and in 10 years' time. So be specific in where you want to go. Don't be like this, but be very narrow. Aim for the appointment that you feel is your dream job, and it will come to you. Make your job search your job. People relax when they get another appointment and then suddenly they go off the radar. They forget about job search. They forget about career management. Now the trick is connect, connect, connect. Everybody you connect with has their own network and they can help you. They can give you some leads to reach your dream job. Deliver a compelling, a striking impact with your resume, your CV, and your LinkedIn profile. So you entice, you encourage people to pick up the phone or email you. Here is the wrap. Never ever give up. If you have a dream, and I've had dreams, my dream is right now helping clients reach their dream jobs. So never give up. My name is Martin Buckland and I'm an executive career management practitioner. I help people attain their dream jobs.